So hello and very good morning dear students. I hope you all are set for mathematics class. In the last lecture we have done up to 23rd question. Now we are going to start from the 24th question. Let me read. The sum of the first 6 terms of an arithmetic series is 255 and that of first 9 terms is 315. Find the first 4 terms of the series. Okay, so here I have solved this question. We are given with S6 and also we are given with S9. You know the meaning of this. S6 means the sum of 6 terms and this is the sum of 9 terms. These two informations are given to us and they are asking the first 4 terms. What will be the first 4 terms of that particular series? Okay. So we know the formula of Sn, that is Sn is nothing but n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so we have used this formula here. So S6 will be 6 upon 2 bracket 2a plus 6 minus 1 into d is equal to 255 given. Now you can cancel this 2 with this 6 to get 3. 2a 6 minus 1 5d equal to 255. Can take this 3 here in the denominator. So 3 with this 255 will be cancelled with 85. So 2a plus 5d is equal to 85. Now coming on the other hand, we have S9. S9 means 9 upon 2 bracket 2a plus 9 minus 1 into d is equal to 315. Now if you can see here, this 2 can be taken here, which I have taken in the next step, and 9 here in the denominator. 9 can be easily cancelled with this 315. First of all, with the 3 it will be 105. With this 3 it will be 35. Okay, so that is how 35 into 2. Now 2a plus 80d is equal to 35 into 2. 35 into 2 is 70. So 2a plus 80d is equal to 70. Keep this as second equation. Don't take 2 common from this equation, and the reason being, here you have 2a, here also you have 2a. So while going for the elimination method, they can be easily eliminated. Okay, so that is what I have used using the elimination method. The first equation here, this one, second equation, and here in the first equation 2a is eliminated with the 2a. 8d minus 5d 3d, 70 minus 85 will get minus of 15. So d is equal to minus of 5. We got d minus 5. Okay, so now we only require a, because for finding any term we require a and d. These two things are very important for us. So substitute the value of d, that is minus 5, in the first equation. So 2a plus 5 into minus 5 equal to 85. 5 5s are 25. It is of minus. Transposing this minus 25 that side. So 85 plus 25, that is 110. 2a equal to 110. A is equal to 55. So at least we got the first term, that is 85. So the first term is 55. What will be the next term? A plus d. So a plus d, that is minus of 5. So 5 minus 5 you will get 50. Then the next term will be 45. Another term will be 40. So such type of 4 terms we found. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Okay, let's come to the 26th question. 25th question will be homework for you. Okay, it's easy one, you can easily do. We are given in the 26th question, we are given with A6, that means the 6th term 60 and 11th term 80 is given, and we have to find S10, means the sum of the 10 terms of this series. Okay, with the help of these two informations, first we need to find A and D. Because for S10 formula we have 10 upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 10 minus 1 into d. So we require a and d. For that we will be using these two. We know an is a plus n minus 1 into d. So what will be a6? Will it be a plus 6 minus 1 into d? A6 you have 60. So you can put in place of a6 60, a plus 5d. So this is your first equation. Now on the other hand, you have a11 is equal to 80. a11 is a plus 11 minus 1 into D. So A plus 10D is equal to 80. This is your second equation. Now using the elimination method, okay, this one and this one. So A plus 10D is equal to 80 and A plus 5D is equal to 60. Minus minus minus. A to A cancelled. 10D minus 5D you will get 5D. 80 minus 60 you will get 20. D is equal to 20 upon 5 you will get 4. So D is equal to 4. You got D. Place this value of D in the first equation. So putting in first equation, that is A plus 5 into D. D is what? 4 equal to 60. So A plus 20 equal to 60. Take transposing that side. So we finally got A is equal to 40. You got A equal to 40, D is equal to 4. We need S10. Okay. So how we will find S10? We know S10 is 10 upon 2 bracket A 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. Okay. So this is cancelled. 5. 2 into A is what? 40. So 40 plus 10 minus 1 is 9 into D is what? 4. Okay. So 5 bracket 80 plus 9 4s are 36. Okay. That is 5 bracket 116, or directly we can write 80 plus 36 is 116. So finally on multiplying these two you will get the answer. Okay. That is how. Now from question number 17th you have applications of AP. What are in the practical life or real life, how AP can be used? Okay. So let's start from the 27th one. Okay, let's understand this question. There are 10 boxes. A boy puts 3 marble in the first box. So there are, say for example, such type of 10 boxes. A boy puts 3 marble on the first box. He goes on putting marbles in all the boxes such that in each box he puts 4 marble more than the previous box. In all, how many marbles did he put in the 10 boxes? So what he did, he keep on increasing the 4 marbles as he moved forward. So if in the first, if he put 3, then in the next one he would have put 7, because 3 plus 4, 7. Then in the next one, 11 marbles. Then in the other one, 15, 19 and so on. Now we have to find that how many marbles are kept in this 10 boxes. So don't you think it is in a progression which is moving arithmetically? So the progression is 3, 7, 11 and so on up to 10 terms. Because there are 10 boxes, so we can consider it as the 10 terms. Such type of questions we have already done in like maybe 13th, 14th or 15th question. Okay. So what we have to do? A is 3, D is 4 and N is 10. Okay. We have to find Sn, which is n upon 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. The sum we have to find. So in place of n, 10, 2 into 3 plus 10 minus 1 and D is 4. All the things are with us. 5 bracket 3 2s are 6, 10 minus 1 9, 9 into 4, 5 bracket 6 plus 36. Okay, that is 5 into 42, which is 210. Okay, so the answer is 210. Means this many marbles he has kept in all this 10 boxes. Understood? Okay, let me explain you 28th question. A man saves 600 in January. Say for example, a man saved 600 rupees in January. How much does he save during the whole year if every year he saves 20 less than the previous month? So starting from the January, he started saving 600 rupees, and in the very next month he saved 20 rupees less. Means if I subtract 20, the second month he saved only 580. The third month he saved 560, then 540, and so on up to 12 terms. Why? Because in a year there are 12 months. So the whole year he saved. So up to 12. You have A, you have D, which is 20, you have N is equal to 12. You know what to do. You have to find S12. The same formula or the same logic which we applied in the last one. Okay, so try to solve this. Now the next one. A lady pays off a certain amount of debt in 15 installments. One of the lady, he has to pay off, that means he has to pay the money which she has taken some loan, and that loan is having 15 installments. If her first installment is rupees 450 and she increases each installment by rupees 50, find the total amount paid by her and what was her last installment. Okay, so the lady started paying the 15 installment, and her first installment was rupees 450, and he increased the installment with rupees 50. So what will be her second installment? 500. Third installment will be 550, and she has to pay up to 15. She has to pay 15 installments. So can we understand that this is a arithmetic progression where the first term is 450, second term 500, and so on up to 15 terms are there. Okay. So first we have to find Sn, right? Because how much the total amount she paid. So we will easily get with S15 formula, because there is 15 terms. Then the next one, there are along with S15 we have to find one more thing, that what will be her last installment. So as there are 15 installments, so her last installment according to this progression we have to find A15. Okay, because her last installment will be the 15th term, so that is A15 we have to find. Okay, so these two things we have to find, and we are given with the first term, which is A 450, D is 50, and N is 15 given to us. So these things are given. Now we have to find S15. We know S15 is 15 upon 2 bracket 2A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of N, this also we can write 15. So 15 upon 2 into A, which is 450 plus 14 into D. D is what? 50. Okay. So 15 upon 2 into 450, you will get 900. 14 into 5, 70. So it will be 700. Okay. So 900 into 700, 1600. Okay. This 2 with this 1600 we can cancel 800. So 15 into 800, you will get 12,000. Okay. So 12,000. The total amount she paid is 12,000. Okay. Now we have to find A15 also, the last installment. So A15, that is A plus 15 minus 1 into D. A, what is A? 450 plus 15 minus 1 is 14 into D is what? 50. So 450 plus 14 into 50 I think we have calculated, yes, 700. So plus 700. So rupees 1150 will be her last installment. Okay, understood this question? Okay, let's come to the next one now. So the 30th question says, the three angles of a triangle are in AP. Find the angles if the greatest angle is 3 times the smallest angle. So of a triangle, this is question number 30. Say for example, if this is the triangle and these three angles are in AP. Okay, so see, in the previous questions I told you how to choose three numbers in the AP. Okay, so if three numbers are there in AP, what all we choose? A minus D, A plus D. So here also we are going to do the same way. Let us consider the three terms B, A minus D, A plus D. Degree, the three angles actually of the triangle B, A minus D degree, A degree and A plus D degree. Degree we have to use because this is in degree. One information is given to us, that is, according to question, the greatest angle, which is A plus D degree, and this smallest angle. So this greatest angle is 3 times the smallest. So if I need to equalize both of them, I need to multiply on the other hand so that the two sides can be equal. This is already 3 times. So we need to multiply 3 on the other hand so that the equal sign can be used here. Okay. So this is A plus D is equal to 3A minus 3D. Please write this in degrees. Okay. Minus of 3D can be transposed here and A can go that side. So D plus 3D is equal to 3A minus A. So it will give you 4D is equal to 2A. This 2 with this 4 cancelled. So 2D equal to A. So A is equal to 2D. Okay. Keep it aside. Now see, this is the given part. We have used it. But what other thing which we ourselves have to think? We know one angle sum property of a triangle, that the sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. So these three angles are there. So using angle sum property, that is A minus D plus A minus D, they all are in degree. This is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So this minus D to minus D cancelled. A plus A, 3A equal to 180 degree. So A we got what? 60 degree. Okay. So we got A as 60 degree. Now in place of, in this equation, can we put A is equal to 60 degree? So 2D is equal to 60 degree. We got D as 30 degree. Did you understand this? We got A 60 and D 30. Now can we detect what are the three angles? So the very first angle, 60 minus 30. So first angle is 30. What is the second angle? 60 degree. And what will be the third? 60 plus 30, 90. So these are the three angles. Okay. Now let's come to the 31st question. A circle is divided into n sectors such that the angle of the sectors are in AP. Okay. I will tell you what are the sectors. The smallest and the largest angles are 10 degree and 80 degrees respectively. Find the number of sectors and the angle in the fourth sector. Okay. So this is the circle. What do you mean by the sector? These are the sectors. Okay. So that means this whole is one sector. Okay. Now they are asking you that in this circle it is divided in some n sectors that we don't know, which we have to find, and the very smallest angle is 10 degree. Say for example, if this is 10 degree and the greatest angle, they have given the largest angle is equal to 80 degree, and these angles are in AP. So we know at least the first term is 10 and the last term is 80 degree, because the smallest will always come first and the largest will always be at the last. Okay, so 10 we don't know the middle terms, and the last term we know, and we have to find how many terms will be there. So like we don't have the second term, or we don't have d actually, so that it would be easy for us to calculate the n by the an formula. But we know one thing, that the sum of the angles of all these sectors is 360 degree. So that is only the very important thing which we have to think. We have to think critically in such a way. So Sn we have, that is 360 degree, because the sum of all the angles is 360 degree. So Sn is equal to n upon 2 bracket a plus an. I am going to use a plus an. Why? Because I have first term and the last term. So no need of using 2a plus n minus 1 into d formula. In place of Sn, we can easily put 360. Okay, and we have to find a is 10 and an is 80 degree. Okay, so 360 is equal to n upon 2 into 10 plus 80 is what? 90 degree. Okay, this 90 with this can be easily cancelled with 4. Take this 2 here, so n is equal to 8. This says that the circle is divided into n 8 sectors. Now they are asking you an angle in the fourth sector. What do you mean by angle in the fourth sector? That is nothing but A4. A4 is what? A plus 4 minus 1 into d. A, what is A? 10. So 10 degree, okay, plus 5 into d. Okay, we don't know d. Alright, just please hold it for some seconds. Okay, we need to find the d first, because we don't know the value of d. So for that we are using, first of all we are using an, which is a plus n minus 1 into d. An is what? 80. So 80 is equal to a is what? 10 plus n. N is what? 8. So 8 minus 1 into d. Take 10 here. So 80 minus 10 is equal to 7d. This will give you 70 is equal to 7d. So d is equal to 10. Okay. So we got the common difference of 10 degree. Now we can easily substitute here. D is equal to 10. So 10 plus 5 into 10, 50. So 60. So the second angle, or sorry, the fourth angle on the segment is 60 degree. I hope this question is clear to you. Now here we have given the end to the arithmetic progression, and the geometric progression is not there in the syllabus. Okay, but as I told you that I will be giving you some some knowledge about the geometric progression. Okay, so just please have a look. It is just the easy progression. Okay, just a 1 minute. I just want to take your 1 minute. What is the meaning of geometric progression? With very beautiful example we will understand the geometric progression. You know the meaning of arithmetic progression. There you have a common difference, first term, last term, and the progression. Such type of progression is there in geometric also. How? See, say for example, if this is you, okay, you are originated, or like you are produced from your mother and your father. Okay, your mother came from her mother and her father, and your father came from his mother and father. If I ask you, your mother's mother came from their parents, and your mother's father came from there, and similarly the same goes to the rest. The same here also. So what I want to explain from here, started with 1 at this stage, there were 2, this stage 4, this 8, 16, 32, 64. So such type of progression where the ratio, if I ask you what will be 64 upon 32, 2, 32 upon 16, 2, 16 upon 8, 2, 8 upon 4, 2, 4 upon 2, 2, 2 upon 1, 2. can you see the common ratio? That is what the geometric progression says, that as in the arithmetic progression you have common difference, as in the geometric progression you have the common ratio like this. Okay, where you divide the second term by first term. In arithmetic progression we subtract second term from first term. So here we divide second term from first term, third term from second term, so that we get the common ratio. So this such type of progressions are called the geometric progression, where you have a common ratio. Okay, so that's it. That this much knowledge is enough for you. Okay, so do the practice, do the questions of the AP. Okay, and if you want you can go for the geometric progression also, that's not a problem for the extra knowledge. Okay, so okay, do the practice. Thank you so much. Bye bye, have a nice day.